Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to my class. We are now in our online class for BEE4233 Data Communication Systems. With me, Razali bin Muda. Okay, so this chapter will discuss the introduction of data communication system. So first of all, we will describe about the definition of data communications. In terms of communications, means communication at a distance. The word data refers to the information presented in whatever form is agreed upon by the parties creating and using the data. Data communications are the exchange of data between two devices via some form of transmission medium such as wired cable, optical cable, and also wireless transmission. Okay, topics will be discussed in this section. First, components of a data communication systems, and secondly, about data flow. So figure 1 shows the components of a data communication systems. There are 5 components of the data communication systems. Number 1 is sender. Sender is the person who send or transmit the data. Secondly is the data or the message or the information. Third is the medium. The third is the medium which the message or the data travel through. The fourth is the receiver, the person who received the data, the person or the device which receive the message, the information. Okay, that is the receiver. And the number 5 is the protocol. Okay, so number 5 is the protocol, which are the rules set to be followed in order to the data communication can happen. Next, figure number 2, figure 1.2 shows 3 types of data flow. Okay, first is simplex, second is half duplex, and thirdly is full duplex. In the first, which is called simplex, the direction of data only one way, which is from mainframe to the monitor, or we call it from the transmitter to the receiver, only one way. The second data flow is called half duplex, which is the direction of data at one time one way and another time is the other way. So we can, but this direction is only one direction at one time. Okay, so that is called half duplex. In the third data flow, which is called full duplex, the direction of data can be any way, either from station A to station B or station B to station A at any time. So that is the difference in terms of simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. The most common example for simplex is like keyboard, they call it keyboard. Okay, or the radio transmission and radio, FM radio. The second example for half duplex, the example for second data flow, which is half duplex, is walkie-talkie. You know, walkie-talkie is the famous example for a half duplex, where only one person can talk at one time, at a time. Okay, and the last one for full duplex is the example. The common example is our telephone system, where everybody can talk. Okay, so that is the 3 types of data flow. Networks. The second is networks. A network is a set of devices, often referred to as nodes, connected by communication links. A node can be a computer, printer, or any other devices capable of sending and or receiving data generated by other nodes on the network. A link can be a cable or wireless, air, optical fiber, or any medium which can transport or transmit a signal carrying information. Okay, the topic will be discussed in these sections are network criteria, physical structures, categories of network, and so on. So let's see one more. So these are the important network criteria that we will discuss. Firstly, the performance of the network depends on network elements measured in terms of delay and throughput. The second criteria of the network is reliability, which is failure rate of the network components, and measured in terms of availability or robustness. The third network criteria is security, which is data protection against corruption or loss of data due to errors and also malicious users. Okay, for this time, that's all for now. We will discuss later in another. We will discuss another topic in another video later. So that's all. Thank you very much for your attention. We will meet again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.